Hello and welcome to another update video about Kaspa. So on the Kaspa chart, we can see an initial reaction to the support zone. I already posted that on Wednesday to our gold members as a signal that we basically are dealing here with a bullish reaction. We already saw signals on Wednesday. It was that we had an initial reaction here to the support zone, and this has so far followed through, which is good to see. So we had that reaction to the support zone that we wanted to see. That's what it's for a bullish reaction. And the support was at 7.1 cents. That was the main bullish support. I indicated to you that we're probably dealing with a much more substantial top, and the breakdown as soon as we see a break below 7.1 cents. Against that level, however, the focus can be on higher, possibly even towards 25 cents next, which is the next main Fibonacci level above. Not too confident about it because I'm not very much convinced of this wave count that we have on the chart. It is an unreliable chart. That doesn't mean bearish. It just means that we have to be on the side of caution. Shouldn't be surprised if there are any changes to micro counts, which is why I also offer really not really a micro count here on this chart, because literally there isn't the clarity needed. Okay, but we can take a look at the structure. I have a count to propose, but overall, if you look at this, it's a pretty choppy chart. Best I can offer here is an initial ABC structure, but that hasn't changed. So as an A wave, then a B wave down, and maybe this is now a C wave to the upside. That's one scenario. In this scenario, yeah, the 25 cent level could be reached. Another interpretation might be a larger diagonal pattern, which we could discuss if we go a little bit higher maybe. But for now, the trend is up. The focus is on higher prices. It doesn't matter how I label this, especially because in both scenarios, we're watching for higher prices against the 7.1 cent level. Best I can offer here as a micro count is that we have from our swing low that was formed on Tuesday, that we had an initial wave one. Again, it's not the cleanest chart, it's messy. But yeah, maybe a wave one, then a wave two, probably now in the third wave. So this could be another small 1-2 setup. This looks like third wave, maybe fourth, fifth. So it could still stretch a little higher. Yeah, because you can see that within this third wave, we have another tiny 1-2 setup here possibly. Okay, and then possibly a 3, 4, 5. So that doesn't mean necessarily that this third wave there is now over, but it allows us to add a first micro support against which we can focus on higher. So we take the length of that third wave, and due to the distance that it's already traveled, the micro support is already quite far away. The best I can offer here is the area between 11.7 cents and 23.6 fib level and 12.8 cents. So this is just important for trend continuation. If the price pushes any higher from here, we need to see if it can hold above the 11.7 cent level. If not, it's a sign of a breakdown. Yeah. So I'm not telling you this wave 4 will go into this area now, but it means, okay, the third wave has done what it needs to do. It can at any point now come down, but against the 11.7 cent level, we can see more upside. So that's really the level that needs to be adjusted with the price as we climb higher. And then, we'll see where it goes. Obviously, we've had a break above this X wave high, which was a first indication that a low is indeed in. And the next resistance that needs to be overcome is at 15 cents. That swing high here that formed on the 4th of December. And then the 15.5 cent level, which is the swing high that formed on the 19th of November. So that means we still should see another 4-5 pattern to complete the larger third wave, and then another 4-5 pattern to complete the larger fifth wave. And it can always be that we get further extensions because the chart is a little bit messy. It might be that somewhere there might be another 1-2 setup hidden or be hidden or something. And also please be aware that the 5 wave up when they form, I mean, that doesn't need to be, let's say, the long-term top. It could be that this is another wave 1 of wave 5. So don't make the mistake to think, okay, we will have that long-term top definitely in after 5 waves up. No, ideally, I mean, this will only, the projections point actually to at least 25.7 cents. So as long as the support levels are holding, the market should really get there, but I will try to guide you along the way. But really, please beware, it's a bit of an unreliable chart, so don't rely on the microstructures too much. The idea would have been to add in the orange support zone, move up the stop loss, and just let it run. That's my update about Kaspa. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.